Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that actually a clear runway opens for all Bitcoin ETF approvals in January, and why I tell you in a second. Then let's talk about Coinbase stock, which is actually this year outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the third thing I would like to talk about is, a new era for Binance has really started as the new CEO, Richard Tang, made his very first blog post. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I bring you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then definitely subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this kind of content what I'm creating. So let's do it. Well, and when we're looking at the prices, let me zoom in for you a little bit, then we can see that the Bitcoin continues to go up. The trend is still bullish, which means Bitcoin is up 2.5% in the last 24 hours, Ethereum 1.5% up. That makes Ethereum $2,056 while Bitcoin is at 38,146 at the moment. When we're looking at the top gainers, God, USTC, I don't even want to talk about this. It's up 34%, Stacks 24%, Terra Classic 24%. Okay, then we see the top losers, FTT down. These are crazy for me, the FTT token and the Terras. Anyway, then we have Lido down 3% down and Blur 2.5% down. As you can see, the market, it's usually green. These are very small drops. And look, when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, then we can see today, even slightly, but we have reached this year's all-time high so far with 38,480 US dollar. And it shows clearly that Bitcoin is still in a good shape. Now we stayed, above this level, this 37,400-ish, and started to aim for the next one, which is could be around 40,000, and things looking actually bullish. And the first thing, and the reason probably what this started to go up is strangely, again, delay by the SEC when it comes to two Bitcoin spot ETFs, but this forms a special situation. But before I'm going to talk about it, I just would like to say a couple of words about Charlie Munger, who actually passed away now. He was at age 99, so just 1 year away from the triple digit. And even he was totally against Bitcoin and the crypto industry. He was a very successful investor, one of the greatest of his time, the partner of Warren Buffett. And, in one of his interviews, he highlighted what made him successful and what he thinks is the key for the success, and saying that spend less than you earn, invest prudently, avoid toxic people and toxic activities, defer gratification, never stop learning. And to be honest with you, even if you're against or for Bitcoin or crypto, doesn't matter. These are actually those kind of principles which can lead to success. So it was a reason why he became so successful during his investing career. So Charlie Munger, rest in peace. He was definitely a crypto bear. So if you put it this way, we have one less now. But I just wanted to mention because as an investor, he was definitely among the legendary ones. Okay, but now let's move on to the first topic. As I mentioned, let's talk about this clear runway, which opens up for all Bitcoin spot ETF approvals in January. Right, so what has happened now? News. We have actually two spot Bitcoin ETF application delays again. When we name them, it's, Franklin's and Hashdex Bitcoin Spot ETF application has been delayed very early. It wasn't even close to the deadline. And this makes many people think that maybe there is a plan behind it. So they were sure we can delay this. Doesn't matter. We don't have to wait with the deadline because we don't want to approve them now. When we would like to approve them is, that this now lines up all Bitcoin ETF application next deadline to between 2nd of January and 17th of January. And now that's what the majority is saying, that there is a very big chance that the Bitcoin spot ETF approval is going to happen there, because as you can see here, let me zoom in, here we have these, third deadlines. Even now on this, we still have the Hashdex one, but it's also delayed. So it moves all, to here, and then we have, ARK's last chance in January. And this is probably the reason why people think that it should be until the 10th of January, put it this way. So there are big hopes around this and big hopes around the price increase, which we're witnessing right now. When we're looking at the Bitcoin price today, it has reached its highest this year in 2023. This was the bullish news, pretty much. And then let's move on to the next one, which is when we're looking at Coinbase stock, it is also skyrocketing right now. Let's talk about that as well. So basically, crypto-related stocks going up very much. Now, Coinbase stock hit a yearly high, outperforming actually Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most other related investments. So Coinbase stock itself had done pretty well. Let's have a look at here. Look at this. When we're looking at the bottom, which was this year at the beginning of January, it was around $32. And now, when I'm making this video, the price is above $128, and this is 300% increase, as you can see it here. It's quite a big one, and better than Bitcoin and better than Ethereum so far. So what do you think about this? You can let me know in the comment section. Will actually crypto-related stock outperform the crypto market? That will be actually an interesting thing. But this is right now a fact. But even if you look at MicroStrategy, look at this here. MicroStrategy going up also this year. Here at the very beginning of this year, it was at 145, right? And that also went up quite well. If you look at this, now it's at $505 at the moment, and this happened just in this year. So those who invest in crypto, those companies, like the leader of this, probably MicroStrategy, or those companies who are actually has any relation to crypto or doing a crypto business, just like Coinbase. And we do know recently, all these Bitcoin spot ETF are related to Coinbase, not just because of the owner of Coinbase are the ones who bring these ETFs out if they get the approval, but also Coinbase will be the custody place for those Bitcoins. So therefore, Coinbase is going up quite well. Right, talking about exchanges, a new era has started, at Binance. We do know that Binance has a new CEO who has made his very first blog post. So, as you know, CZ stepped down as the CEO of Binance, and we have the new CEO, Richard Tang, and he's saying that here is my very first blog as Binance CEO. So Richard Tang became a CEO of crypto exchange Binance after CZ agreed to step down as part of the settlement with the U.S. Department of Justice, which was announced on the 21st of November. For those who don't know. And what is the new CEO is saying that Binance plans to continue a user-focused approach to its business and drive growth and the adoption of Web3, assuring customers they will hear more from him soon. Basically, he's also saying that I'm eager to jump headfirst into my new role and know there will be many more opportunities for me to share my thoughts with the community through blogs like this one, through my social media accounts. You know, CZ did it very well, to be honest with you, and through the many industry conferences and events around the world. This is what he's basically saying. So yeah, this is definitely a new era, but it looks like that now things are okay for Binance. You know, they have a settlement, definitely a part of it that is CZ stepped down, and it looks like then now they can actually continue. So yeah, this kind of thing that we scared what's going to happen to Binance, it's now put on the side, and therefore we can see again the good mood on the crypto market. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel. I was here in the last, bear market, bull market, then now during the whole bear market. Now I'm going to be here in the bull market to keep you up to date. So yeah, just join and enjoy the content. And if you like what I'm doing, then definitely hit the like button. So see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.